and welcome to Network Thoughts. In today's episode, we are going to look at the new ways to upgrade yourself on a Vistara flight. Now, until a couple of weeks ago, Vistara was tied up with Option Town. Option Town, again an upgrade service, has been in Indian skies for a really long time. As long back as Kingfisher Airlines, which provided a tie-up with Option Town for passengers to upgrade. So Vistara had tied up with Option Town, and you could go there, register on Option Town. You could then enter your PNR and name, and then you had two options: one for a fixed upgrade for a certain fee, or and about 24 hours to departure, you would know if the upgrade is successful or not. Vistara is moving away from this to a new vendor, which is Plusgrade. Now there are a couple of benefits which Plusgrade is bringing on table for Vistara. The first is that you don't have to register separately or navigate to another website. Now you can do this upgrade or opt for this upgrade or try this upgrade on the Vistara website itself. So how it helps is that the data remains with Vistara. You are not advertising somebody else's product. This Plusgrade runs at the background and not as a separate website or separate unit. So a passenger need not navigate. The second is Plusgrade gives a bid range, and it is not like a fixed amount, take it or leave it, and then you have to take a call. As a passenger, when you decide to opt for this, first you have to book on the Vistara site or any other. So you have a Vistara PNR. You go to Vistara website, enter your PNR, enter your details, and pull up your reservation, and then you will get an option to bid. So there will be a minimum bid value, there will be a maximum bid value, and you can decide where you want your bid to be, in the middle or the lowest end, at the highest end, and yours will be one of the many bids which the airline will receive. So let us assume you are a economy class passenger, you booked for economy class, and now you have bid for premium economy. At some point of time, the airline will take a call that there are as many bids, as many empty seats, and are they going to actually give it out to people who have placed the bid. So in earlier scenario where there could have been many people who have placed a bid at the same amount, so the airline had potential to only make X amount out of that bid. Now there is a potential to make variable amount out of this. So an airline can decide that okay, I will give an upgrade to the top 2, 3, 4 bidders. And in this process, it could actually improve its revenue management to an extent where you are getting a bid which, coupled with your original ticket fare, could be more than the average revenue for the next class of service, and also more than a couple of tickets which you sold in, let's say, premium economy. So Vistara is gearing up to go to London. Coming Friday will be its first international flight with its wide body operations. And again, it is the only Indian carrier to offer 3 classes of service: economy, premium economy, and business. So this has come out at the correct time for the airline to see how its revenue management can be improved, specifically in current times when you can fly only 45% of your scheduled services in summer schedule due to COVID-19, and of course the whole country has taken a beating when it comes to air travel. Yesterday we recorded 1,000 plus domestic departures. We are yet to cross 1 lakh passengers per day on domestic route. If you look at it, typically pre-COVID, there were in excess of 3,000 domestic flights per day. So we are reaching just about 1/3 of that number right now. So tricks like these will actually help Vistara push their revenue onwards. And Plusgrade has been around in the market for a while. They have close to 70 customers. They count Singapore Airlines and Silk Air. So SIA holds 49% of Vistara. So Singapore and Silk Air is also their customers. There are others, big ones like Air Canada and so on and so forth. So do let me know when you are going to travel, if you are going to travel Vistara, if you are going to use this service, and if yes, then how your experience was. And I hope you like this video, you found this information something new, something more than what you already knew. And do like and subscribe to this channel for more videos, more insightful information which will come from me. And of course, please do follow on Twitter, as well as keep following the blog so that you know when I write. I look forward to your comments and suggestions, and of course your thoughts on where this channel should go. Thanks for watching.